Want to share your Apple Numbers spreadsheet with someone using Microsoft Excel? No problem. Converting a numbers file to Excel's XLSX format is now super easy. Numbers, currently at version 15.2, September 2025, lets you export directly to XLSX with minimal data loss. Just open your .numbers file in Numbers, go to File, then Export to. Select Excel SX and choose your settings. Save the file. This ensures the recipient can open it in Excel without issues, maintaining almost all your data and formatting. As of 2025, compatibility is excellent. While the export process appears straightforward, let's examine what happens behind the scenes when converting a numbers file to Excel's XLSX format. Numbers takes your proprietary .numbers file and translates it into the open XLSX standard that Excel uses. This conversion process ensures compatibility across different platforms and applications. Most data types convert with high accuracy. Text, numbers, dates, and formulas are typically preserved perfectly during the conversion process. However, images and tables might require some adjustment in Excel. They may need resizing or repositioning to display correctly in the new format. Since numbers in Excel use similar formula syntax, most formulas convert automatically. However, it's always wise to double-check complex formulas after conversion to ensure they work as expected. Before converting, remember to save a backup of your original numbers file. This ensures you can always return to the original if needed. Thanks to cloud integration features available in 2025, you can easily open your converted files directly in Excel for web through services like iCloud Drive or OneDrive. Finally, using the latest version of Numbers ensures the best compatibility and provides a smooth transition to Excel format.